beautiful day in Washington right now. Literally 6 a.m. and look at Mount Rainier. She is shining. But I am not staying in Washington today. Nope, I am headed to California. I'm headed to Disneyland. I'm getting ready to go to the parks to meet Kathy, and we have Star Wars night tonight. Hence my Star Wars looking-ish nails right now. I painted them real fast last night, so that's why they're not the best, but they're still cute for Star Wars night. So I am excited to go. I have about an hour to get to the airport, and then headed to Disney. So excited. I'm also a little bit tired, as you can tell, but we're gonna get some energy and head out. I also need to zip up my bag and make sure that I have everything packed. So let me do that, and then let's head on over to the airport. Okay, y'all, so I made it to the car. It is 6:50 right now, and my boarding starts at 7:20. Should take me about 15 minutes to get to the airport, so I should be there right on time. I have pre-check. I can also go through our little security. So
turn right, then turn left.
I think I am good to go right now. Alrighty, I'm gonna start talking to y'all while I'm driving and head on out. Alrighty, y'all, so here I am getting my makeup done and ready for the parks. I don't know what I was doing with my camera, but I apparently pressed the wrong setting on it, and so it didn't record with any volume. So here we are. I hope you guys enjoy my little makeup routine. Alrighty, y'all, party. I just finished my makeup and I'm so excited. As you can see, I'm dancing in the bathroom. And then Kathy and we finally made it into the parks. I'm sad I don't have the audio on this, tears, but that's okay. I am here to narrate. We headed back to Star Wars Land to get some pictures. Afterwards, we saw some stormtroopers, and then I got my birria sandwich and my strawberry croissant from Jolly Holiday, which is so good. Kathy got her little pork bows, or it might be chicken bows, I don't know. She got bows though from Docking Bay, and then the cold brew, which I think I got a cold brew too, the little Cocoa Puff one, so good. So you're seeing a little glimpse of that now. She said everything was good. Everything was good on my end. Delicious. I wish I knew the audio. But we're doing good. So I'm super sad here because I didn't get Magic Happens recorded with the audio. I did get really good clips of Mickey and the parade, but you're just gonna have to listen to it without the audio on here. So hope you enjoy the parade, and then afterwards we left the parade and got ready for Star Wars night. A little park break and got ready for Star Wars night. I am in my R2-D2 fit. I don't have my headband on right now because I didn't want to wear it quite yet because we still have to walk over. But this is the fit, minus the shoes, and Kathy! Outfit reveal, C-3PO. Yes, we love it. I will get bobby pins, but yes, we're gonna head over now, or soon, so. We made it! Yay! We got our credentials, we're official! Yay. The night has started. Kathy's in line right now for the Ewoks, and I'm gonna go pick up my food at Red Rose Tavern. Yay! I secured the loaded bowl from Red Rose Tavern. I am headed back to Kathy right now for the Ewoks, and my goodness, everyone looks so good. I love it. So we're gonna do Ewoks. She got her burger from Hungry Bear. We had like avocados and I don't know what else was on it, but we can ask her if it was good once I get to her. And yeah, I think after that we might head towards Main Street because they have some fun stuff going on down there. I devoured my, what was it, level 1313 bowl, and so did Kathy with her lamu burger. Yes? It was good?
Yeah.
10 out of 10?
I said 5 out of 5. 4.5 out of 5.
Okay, sounds good.
I think mine was like a 4 out of 5. It was really good though, and I think it was also because I was hungry. We are in the Ewok line right now. I'm cold. It is slightly chilly. We need to remember next year thermals. Thermals for next year. I know. But yeah, the line is over this way, and it literally wraps all the way back there in like spirals. So I'm glad that we're in line when we came here because it doesn't start till 9, and we've been here since 7. Because we thought it started at 8, 7:30, so we've been here around like 7:30ish. So it's okay. We got full bellies now, and we will be happy and not hungry the rest of the time. Just maybe a little chilly. Yeah, just a little chilly. I'm excited to see the Ewoks though. They're gonna be cute. So yay! No! Yeah, I have my little R2D2. Oh, yep. I love R2D2. This is the Ewok line. I am so glad we are not back there. And the Ewok was so cute. Oh my gosh, so little, so cute. And we got our His name was Freckles. Poses. Yes, and then Stripes was the second one that we didn't get to see, but R2D2 is acting up right now. Oh my gosh. I know.
Okay, we'll get you a very small chopper of your own. How's that sound? Okay, I promise.
C3PO has been located, both of them. Mission get Kathy to C3PO is unlocked.
Has been successful.
I'm like, we're gonna get her. Saber activated. We're about to meet Luke and Leia and R2D2 for the second time. The first time we didn't know it was them. Second time though. We thought it was I thought it was just like a board or something, but so excited.
Any intel you gather on the Empire flight, please send it towards R2.
It's such a colorful language between you two in front of everyone. Oh my goodness.
This will be a day long remembered.
Always. Okay, thank you.
Excellent.
Look at you.
Hold. Squad leader is looking for you. Rendezvous at command reassignment. Wait. Looks like you've rounded up some troublemakers. Good work, Trooper. That's affirmative. Your loyalty to the First Order is appreciated. There.
Thank you. Always.
That is affirmative.
Got the mango, sticky rice, black sesame. There's a thick smoothie. Alrighty, so I got it. I don't know if I would say it's quite what I expected. Thought it's gonna be a little bit sweeter, but it is good. It is just thick. It has like mango chunks and I think there's some like sticky rice in it too. But it's good. I say 3 out of 5.